if you want to download official Discord app on Windows PC, first you need to click here and just type Microsoft Store and open this and click here, Microsoft profile. Then sign into your Microsoft account. It may be Outlook, Hotmail or Skype, even Xbox account. You can use any account. In case if you doesn't have any Microsoft account, just create one new account. It's completely free. I'm also using the free Microsoft account. Then click this search and just type Discord. And search. Yeah, here you can see Discord and it's completely free. Just open that. Here you can see Discord includes, so it's official app. Just click install. It's downloading right now. So it's installed. Now just minimize this. Yeah, here you can see the Discord app. Just open that. So you just need to open that and sign into your Discord account. That's it. Then if you want to know more videos about these topics, watch these videos.